How to make your phone display easier to see. Most phones allow you to change the display settings in ways that can be useful to anyone who's visually impaired. Here's how you can use this feature on your iPhone or Android handset. On iPhone, go to Settings, General, Accessibility, and then select Display Accommodations. You'll then have the option to invert colours. This makes bright parts of the screen dark and dark parts of the screen bright. This can be helpful if your eyes are very sensitive to light. We'd recommend you choose Smart Invert, as this stops the phone from inverting the colours which help you to identify apps. In Display Accommodations, there are also multiple colour filters, which let you change the colour settings to suit you. You can also use Reduce White Point to make white colours less intense. Most Android smartphones also have display accommodation features. Each Android device might be slightly different, but here we're using a Samsung A5. Go to Apps, Settings, Accessibility, and Vision. You'll then have the option to select grayscale as well as negative colours. That's how you can adjust the display on your iPhone or Android device.